Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 26 of snowing through my minis in January. I can't believe we're at the last week, at least of January. I did decide to do this into February and I'm excited about that. I'm going to make a decision each month and see if I can do it the next month. But I'm really excited to do February's, but I'm really excited to see what we can do with the $7 I brought today. So let's hop in here, and I hope everybody is still doing okay. I don't know if the storm is over. I don't know where it's headed. So hopefully it's gone by now and everyone's just able to start working on getting back to normal. So we have our $7. I'm going to put that in here. And then we will take our prop coins, give those a little mix and throw them around a little bit. Okay, and then we are going to come back here to number 9. So we are going to start at number 9, roll our D3, and then whatever number it gives us is how many prop coins we put down. 1 and 2, and we have $7 worth of prop coins in 25, 50, and 275 cent ones. All right, go back to 1. One and 2. 1 and 2. So did you guys lose power? Anyone that was affected by the storm? Hopefully not. I don't know what to say apparently. I'm trying to concentrate. Ooh, another 3. Okay. Oh my goodness. Are we going to get all the way around? Well, 8 is getting my last one, so we will start at 9 again. All right. I guess we kind of got all the way around. Let's bring Brian over here to cheer us on. So we have for number 1, we got 50 cents. And this one is from Owl Always Save. So we can mark off 2 of these. And we are 50 more cents and that one is done. And then let's see. 50 cents for number 2. This one is from Vicky Thanks. So we can go 1 and 2. This will save us $3. $0.75 for number 3. This one is from Greta at Agape Book Club. So we can mark off 3 of these. So 1, 2, and 3. All right, we have 50, $1, and then 25. So $1.25 going into number 4. All right, we're starting this one. This one is from Financial Dreams with Christine, and it's Teen Witch. Yesterday I said it all funny. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can do the whole top row. 5 little witch hats. I do remember that movie, which is kind of funny. All right. And then number 5 got 75 cents. And this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we can finish off that top row. All right, number 6 has 75 cents. And, oh, so close. This one is from Pink Plum Budgeting, and we needed $1, but we got 75. So we should finish this one tomorrow. So this one will save us $5. That's pretty nice. And then 7 got, ooh, $1.25. I like my camera. I mean, now that the video is almost over. Okay, so 7 got $1.25. This one is mine on my Ko-fi for free. So 25 and then 25, 50, 75, and $1. This one will save us $4. All right, and then number 8 got 25 cents. This one is Budget with Tiffany 26, Dear Santa, it was the cat. So cross off that for 25 cents. Nope. I really want to finish one, so I was trying to sneak one over there. All right, we got 75 cents in number 9. This one is from Lindsay over at Bookish Mama Budgets. We have 25, 50, and 75. So 50 more cents and we will save $4. And then last but not least, number 10 got 25 cents. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. And we get to do 1 square. It's Christmas at Hogwarts. Or Magical Christmas, probably. All right, so we did not finish anything today, but I'm totally fine with that. I feel like we are setting ourselves up for a pretty good day tomorrow for day 27. And yeah, and on the last day, on the 31st, I will do my $7 round. And then at the end, I am going to count up what we have finished, and whatever we didn't finish, I won't restuff. If we finish one, I won't restuff it. And I'll try to finish as many as we can. And if we don't finish it, it'll just roll into February. So, which totally works for me. Oh my gosh, so close. Oh, I did it. Okay, don't breathe. Don't breathe. I'm just kidding. Please breathe. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday or Monday. I don't even know what day it is. I think it's Monday. I hope you have a wonderful Monday. And until next time, take care. Bye.